Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hey there, home cooks. In this video, I will show you how to make beef burritos at home. Let's start by gathering our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ground beef, 8 to 10 large flour tortillas, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar or Monterey Jack cheese. Also, have your favorite salsa, sour cream, and any other toppings like diced onions or cilantro ready. Preparing everything beforehand makes the cooking process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's get cooking. Place 1 pound of ground beef into a large skillet over medium heat. Cook the beef, breaking it apart with a spoon until it's fully browned. Once cooked, carefully drain any excess fat from the pan. This step is crucial for a less greasy burrito. Next, stir in about 2 tablespoons of your favorite taco seasoning and 1/2 cup of water. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld and the sauce to thicken. With our beef ready, it's time to assemble. First, warm your 8 to 10 flour tortillas for about 30 seconds each in the microwave or a dry skillet. This makes them pliable and easy to roll. Lay out a warm tortilla and add a generous scoop of the seasoned ground beef mixture down the center. Then, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of shredded cheese over the beef. Now is the perfect time to add your favorite toppings, such as a dollop of salsa or a spoonful of sour cream. The final step is rolling. To roll a perfect burrito, fold in the 2 opposite sides of the tortilla over the filling. Then, starting from the bottom, roll the tortilla up tightly, creating a neat, compact package. If you like, you can lightly grill the rolled burritos in a dry skillet for a minute or 2 on each side to get a crispy, golden exterior. Serve your homemade beef burritos immediately with extra salsa, guacamole, or a side of rice. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.